This is a brand new 2013 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, a cooled driver's seat, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a toolkit, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.